Looking for great travel laptop backpack? Luckily for you, we are here to help. Here are the best offers you should consider. And the best part? We did all the work for you. Just click this link below and get real-time prices and discounts on your favorite products. Number 1, Travel Laptop Backpack, Business Anti-Theft. Slim durable backpack, with USB charging port. Water-resistant bag for women and the men fits 15.6-inch laptop and notebook gray, by Matein. Number 2, Practical Gifts and Present for those who go to school, travel and work. A must for school supplies, travel accessories and laptop accessories. A luggage sleeve allows backpack fit on luggage suitcase. Slide over the luggage upper right handle tube for easier transport. A theft-proof pocket on the back could hold your phone, wallet or small items, add more safety to keep your value. Number 3, with a hidden anti-theft pocket on the back, to protect your valuable items from thieves. A luggage strap allows backpack fit on luggage suitcase. Slide over the luggage upper right handle tube for easier carrying. Well made for international airplane travel and day trip. Get your favorite best-selling backpack. Just click this link below for more great options.